So what do belly dancers wear while they're learning? Well, first of all, wear something very comfortable because you're going to be doing a lot of moving. So leggings are good, or something kind of stretchy. If you want and feel comfortable, wear like a crop top or something that will show your waist. And then I highly recommend wearing a hip scarf, or if you don't have a hip scarf, you could just take a regular scarf, tie it around your hips like so, because this will give you excellent feedback if you're looking in a mirror and practicing the moves. And let's say, for example, we're moving right and left with our hips, doing a hip slide, okay? I'm going to be demonstrating how we want to keep them level. So if you see the hip scarf start to move up and down, then you know that, oops, that's not level. So we're supposed to stay level. And so a hip scarf is very good for giving you some visual feedback. There's all kinds of hip scarves available. You can get them pretty reasonable on Amazon, or any other type of belly dance supply place. Coins are fun, especially if we're shimmying. Makes all kinds of noise and lets you know that you're doing the right thing. So bottom line, comfortable clothes. Highly recommend a hip scarf and something nice and short so that you can actually see your waist. So enough with the yak. Grab your water, hip scarf, whatever, and let's get moving.